Hi, this is Miss Cindy, and today I'm going to have a fun day. So, let me explain to you what that means. It means I have projects in there, things that I have to do, things that I want to try, um, but I have to concentrate on them. And what's in front of you are three canvases that I have played around with, and then I went ahead and wiped them down, and I'm using them again. So today I am going to play around with doing a triptych. I've done a triptych twice before. I have one that's hanging on my wall. The first time I did it, and it's hanging on the wall, it came out gorgeous. So somebody saw it, and I was commissioned to do one for their living room wall. So I did that. But both of those were pours, where I clamped them together on the bottom and I did the pour. Today, when I say fooling around, I want to do a triptych and fool around using the blow dryer. There is something that's very relaxing for me when I do that blow dryer pour and the results that I get of it. So I'm not looking for anything in particular, no color scheme. I'm just going to go through and do it. And I probably will use every color I have in metallic just to see how it comes out. It will show you the basic technique of doing the Dutch pour using the blow dryer. And I'm going to deviate from that because I know once you get your colors on, you should be using the white, the Flotro and the white paint for the background. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I may do it. I may stick with the white because this is on a black canvas. I originally was going to use the black because it was on a black canvas, but that may just make the colors too dark. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is here's my mixture for my base. I'm going to get my base on, and then I'm just going to come back and put some paint on this canvas, and then I'm going to blow dry it, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, my base is on. I'm just going to just start playing. I'm just going to go ahead and just go for it. The one thing about a Dutch pour, you should be going, whatever lines you draw, all of the colors should be layered on top of it. So that's all I'm going to do is just have some fun. Okay, so I had to answer the phone, which I forgot to turn off when I'm in here painting. So as you can see, I've laid down my colors, and then what I did was I took the white and outlined it. You usually take, I don't know what color you take. Sometimes you outline it in black, but I didn't want the black to overpower because there's already black on the base. So I just outlined, once my colors were down, I just outlined it in white. And now I'm just going to have some fun. Okay, so this is as far as I've gotten. I'm not gonna sit here and let you watch me blow this whole thing out. Um, like I said, I'm just mixing the colors. I just want to see how it's gonna come out and if it's gonna look like it flows from frame to frame. Just having some good times. There is one thing when it comes to this blow dryer. I use it on low speed because if not, it scatters, and I don't want a whole lot of streaks in between there, so I do it on low. I also know depending how you turn your arm, you can make like flowers and that's how they do that, but I haven't mastered this yet. This is like the biggest Dutch pour that I've done, and I just want to see how the colors are going to blend. So when I get the whole canvas done, I'll be back. Okay, I am finished. We're going to see how this dries. As I was doing this, I get to learn a little bit. So I'm going to show you, point out some of the spots. Just what I've learned along the way. I really like this area here, this smoky area. And to get that, all I did was I did turn my blow dryer on high and pushed it until it's like a real thin layer, and it gives you that little smoke appeal around the ends. Here's another shot of it. So I did learn that along the way. I think that's pretty much all I learned. I really like that. So I'm just going to let this dry and let's see what it looks like when it dries. I may end up resining this and putting it on the wall. I'm not too sure. Am I disappointed in it? Absolutely not. I like the colors. I just wish I could have got some more of that little smoke appeal. I don't know how I got it except with the blow dryer. I don't know if I had not enough paint or enough paint. So I will be back once this dries. Okay guys, I'm back. My Tryptyk for fun on a reusable canvas is done. I liked it, so I went ahead and resined it, and I just wanted to show you the end result. It came out pretty good. Actually, I really like it. It did show me the connectivity from canvas to canvas, so I'm happy about that. I have a couple of flaws in it, and that had nothing to do with the actual pour. I think that was from me using the canvas more than one time. So anyway, there's my third Tryptyk. I'll be doing this again because I love the blow dryer technique. Let's see if I can get better at it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up if you like the content. And have a great day.